Morning team, it's Monday, February 6th, new week. So, there are no many news this week, or at least looks like a quiet one, which, to be honest, I prefer because when there are no news, euro is stupid clean. Maybe moves less, but if you are patient enough, you're gonna get some clean, respected level. Same goes for intraday news, not so much. Something 11, but whatever. Let's have a look at the charts. Let's start with monthly. Well, on this big move down, which BMS on a monthly level, we are currently getting rejected by premium. Well, I cannot say that monthly looks stupid bearish. Well, to be honest, it's bearish. If this was like a M15 chart, I would say that it's still down. The flow is still down. There is nothing bullish yet. It didn't turn up bullish. But yeah, it's nice to see that we are getting rejected from this level. Also, is a mitigation block. So, I mean, it's a nice confluence, you know. Anyway, weekly, last week, I say that after a doji, a perfect doji like this one, I would love to see a stop run and a rejection. And that's exactly what happened. This big engulfing bearish candle, I mean, bearish weekly order block untested, because look at this, was untested. Monthly premium, weekly engulfing for medium term, let's say, doesn't look too good, to be honest. I think on a weekly level, this fair value gap should be next. Maybe we get some bounce here from this untested on the block, you know, something like this. Be pulled back higher to keep going lower. I will not be surprised to see something like this. Not that I care too much, but I think it's possible. So I just keep in mind weekly levels. So daily, extremely bearish close. They push it so much until the last minute that they managed to BMS on a daily level. Yeah, I wanted that, to be honest. I knew that it was something sketchy about that rally. And well, we are currently at support again. I don't know, I think a pullback is needed. Anyway, let's have a look at our charts. H12, this untested bearish order block will be awesome to resume shorts. Well, on an H12 level, this big rejection block weak, kind of untested, would be nice for a bounce. If we keep going down in here, I think this is enough sponsorship to look for longs. Well, you need a low time frame confirmation, but yeah. H4 doesn't tell me much new, anything new. There are the same, and this also has another untested. Look, this flat open. I love them. Yeah, we're gonna see also low time frame. I think if we're going lower, I would love to look for longs in here, in this area. Anyway, hourly. Each one, you can see that they start to lose a little bit of bearish momentum. Look how clean is this. EURUSD is so clean. Accumulation, like consolidation, expansion, consolidation, expansion, consolidation, and now what is going to be the next expansion? Who knows? I think if we manage to see a nice low rate, I will look for longs. A pullback is needed, but there are no news, so we can easily range the whole day today around here. So low time frame, pretty much what yeah, right now there is no flow. It's a small range. I mean, this is like what 15 pip range. I cannot, my trading plan say I cannot trade these things, you know. Anything below 20 pips for me is a not good to trade. So for me, this is, I need to wait something to happen. 17 pips, what the fuck is that? It's not my kind of environment, okay? I don't have a clean read. I mean, I think we're gonna go to take the Asia lows, but it looks disgusting. Let me see. Well, I don't know. I think shorts can pay, to be honest. Look at this BMS. Yeah, anyway, it's too small, the range. My trading plan says anything below 20 pips is not good, so I just stick to my plan and fuck it. So what else? Yeah, I wanted to show you something. Look at this. I mean, this H1 inside candle untested in here with this lovely liquidity above. I call it swap, but just for fun. Look at this inducement, no? Look at this liquidity, other liquidity here for Asia low. If we do something like this, like, I mean, there are a couple of level untested. This one and this one too, this big wick. If I see something like this, I will get excited for longs. Look, something like this. Maybe I can see some longs in this fair value gaps on M15. Look at this. There are many, no? Anyway, for now, it's just a waiting game for me. This fair value gap is lovely. This one too. I would love an Asia low rated too. Right now, I just gonna wait for more clarity. If you guys want to see my updated charts, wait a second. If you guys want to see my updated charts in here, at the comments, I post charts, you know. So I don't know, you maybe want to subscribe to the subgroup or just check from time to time in the comments. I update with charts during the day if I see something interesting. As I say, right now I don't going to touch anything here. It's too small the range, and I mean, liquidity is everywhere. There is liquidity here and liquidity below. So I need someone to get purged, pay the price for me to get involved. Okay, that's enough for me today. Speak to you tomorrow, guys. Have a nice Monday.